In this video we will take a look at launching an instance for a provider. In this case, we consider launching instance for AWS provider. After logging into the application, by default the work zone page is displayed. In one of the earlier session, recall that we have added Tomcat as the cookbook for the AWS blueprint. We will now see that once the instance is launched from blueprint, it will be bootstrapped with the help of Chef server and Tomcat server will be installed. From Infrastructure tab select Blueprints. The created blueprint for AWS provider, that is, Tomcat, is displayed. Select the blueprint and click Launch at the bottom of the page. A confirmation dialog box appears. Press OK to confirm. The launching blueprint window displays the status of the launching of the blueprint. As the blueprint is being launched, go back to Infrastructure tab and select Instances. You can see the Tomcat is displayed. Since the launching is still not complete, the status on the instance reads as running. Note the IP address of the instance where it is being launched. Click or hover your mouse here to view the shortcut link to the applications and the tasks associated with the instance. You can see the link to Tomcat as well. Follow the More Info icon to view the status of the launching of the instance. The Instance Logs window displays the status of the bootstrapping of the instance. In this case it shows instance has been bootstrapped successfully. Go back to Instances and click Control Panel. The Control Panel settings page with information, services, action history and logs tabs. By default the Information tab Details is displayed. The first section is the Blueprint Information section, like name of the blueprint, the template, the size of the instance and the like. The next is Hardware Details followed by Software Details section. Note that the software is the Ubuntu OS. The Configuration Management section displays the bootstrap status and the run list associated with the blueprint. Note that the bootstrap is successful and the Tomcat URL is the associated run list. The Application URLs and Tasks sections display the link to the application URL and the tasks assigned. Note that the link to the URL can be edited or removed by clicking the required ISO. You can also click the Back to Instance button to return to the Instances page. Click the Action History tab to view the status of every task performed on the instance. Here we can see that the bootstrap has been performed successfully on the Tomcat instance. It also displays the user who has performed or initiated on the task and a More Info link. You can verify the status of the task from Logs tab. Click Back to Instances to return to the Instances page. Follow the Tomcat link to access the Tomcat server page. The Tomcat page displays the Tomcat UI in a new window. Go back to the Instances page and copy the IP address of the Tomcat instance. Click the Chef client run to run the Chef client. In the Update Run List window select the required option to assign the run list. You can select either from all the options or only roles, cookbooks or templates only. In this case we search and select for Mongo and add it to the run list. You can set the cookbook attributes by clicking the Edit button. Click Update to retain the changes. Press OK to confirm changes to the run list. Check in the Logs tab and you can see that the run list update status is updated in the log window. Return to the Instances main page and click Control Panel. Click Action History tab to view the tasks performed on the instance. You can see that after bootstrap, the Chef client run has been performed. Click SSH to run the SSH terminal from the instance page. The SSH terminal window appears. Enter a name for the username in username field. Select the required option from Select Authentication Type list. In this case we select PEM file. Browse and select the PEM file and click Submit. The SSH terminal window displays the status of the applications and the run lists. Note the shell version of MongoDB that was included as the rulelist. Click Stop on the instance to suspend the activities of the instance. Press OK on the confirmation dialog box. Go to the Logs tab in the Control Panel page to view the status of the log. The instance stopped is displayed as the logged event. Return to the Instances page and you can see that status on the instance reads as stopped and the Start button is enabled. Click Start to start the instance again. Check in the instance log window for instance started message. The status on the instance also displays that the instance is again set to running. Click the edit icon on the instance to change the name of the instance. Enter a name in the name field and click Save. You can see the name is now changed to the new name.